The average professional wastes over $200 every single month on software subscriptions they barely use. Scheduling tools, automation platforms, note-taking apps, all overpriced, all replaceable. And here is the uncomfortable truth: most people have no idea how much they are actually spending. I spent 2 weeks testing AI alternatives to find out. What I found genuinely surprised me. 6 tools that replace your entire software stack for free. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones to switch to first. Let us get into it. Tool number 1 is Reclaim.ai. Here is the problem it solves. Your calendar gets destroyed by meetings. Back-to-back calls, random invites, zero time left for actual focused work. Reclaim connects to your Google or Outlook calendar and automatically finds and defends time for your tasks, habits, and deep work sessions. You tell it your priorities, it blocks the time and protects it. When new meetings get added, it automatically reschedules your focus blocks around them. No manual planning. No dragging calendar blocks. The AI handles your entire schedule for you. Now compare this to Motion, which is the most popular AI calendar tool right now. Motion costs $34 a month, and there is no free option at all. Reclaim has a completely free plan, and a paid tier at just $8 a month. Same result. A fraction of the cost. What does Reclaim replace? Expensive scheduling tools and hours of daily calendar management. What does it cost? Free to start. Tool number 2 is Granola. Meetings are a productivity killer, not just the time you spend in the meeting, but the hour you spend afterward writing up notes, action items, and follow-ups. Granola fixes this completely. It runs silently on your desktop and captures your meeting audio in the background. No bot joins the call. Nobody on the other side sees a recording notification. Nobody gets an awkward message saying the meeting is being recorded. It is completely invisible. After the meeting ends, Granola automatically generates clean, structured notes and action items ready to share or save. You did not have to type a single word during the meeting. You were just present. Now compare this to Otter.ai, which is the most popular meeting tool out there. Otter's free plan limits you to 30 minutes per conversation, so a single hour-long meeting gets cut in half. And you only get 3 lifetime file imports ever. Granola gives you unlimited meeting summaries, zero bots, and complete invisibility, all completely free. What does it replace? Otter.ai and hours of manual note-taking every week. What does it cost? Free. Tool number 3 is Bardeen. This one is for anyone who does repetitive browser tasks, copying data from websites into spreadsheets, manually updating records, researching leads one by one, moving information between apps. All of that copy-paste work that eats hours every week. Bardeen is a Chrome extension that automates these tasks using AI. You describe what you want in plain English, something like find all the company names on this page and save them to Google Sheets, and Bardeen builds the automation and runs it directly in your browser. What makes Bardeen different from tools like Zapier is that it works directly inside your browser. It can interact with any website, even ones without APIs, which means it can automate things that cloud-based tools simply cannot touch. It has over 100 pre-built automation templates covering sales prospecting, lead research, CRM updates, and general productivity. You just pick a template, set it up in under a minute, and it runs automatically. Free plan includes 100 credits every month with no card required. What does Bardeen replace? Hours of manual data entry, copy-paste work, and expensive virtual assistant time. What does it cost? Free to start. Tool number 4 is Gumloop. If you have ever tried Zapier and found it either too expensive or too limited for AI-powered tasks, Gumloop is the answer. It is a no-code AI workflow builder. You connect your apps and your data using a simple drag-and-drop visual interface, and you can embed actual AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, directly inside your workflows. So instead of just basic automation, if this happens, do that, you can build workflows where AI actually reads, thinks, analyzes, and writes as part of the process. For example, when a new email arrives, AI summarizes it, extracts the key information, drafts a reply, and logs everything to a spreadsheet, all automatically, zero human involvement. This is what people mean when they talk about AI agents. Not a chatbot you talk to. An AI that actually does work for you in the background, connected to all your tools. Gumloop gives you that, without writing a single line of code. It is backed by Y Combinator and used by teams at companies like Shopify and Instacart. The free plan includes 2,000 credits with no card required. What does Gumloop replace? Zapier at $20 to $50 a month, plus separate AI subscriptions on top of that. What does Gumloop cost? Completely free to start. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. You might already know Notion as a note-taking and workspace tool. But Notion AI turns your entire workspace into an intelligent assistant. You paste any text, meeting notes, a long document, an article, ask it to summarize, and you get a clean structured summary in seconds. Ask it to write a project proposal and it drafts one instantly. Ask it to rewrite something in a cleaner tone and it does it without switching apps. For professionals who already live inside documents and notes, this replaces the need for separate AI writing tools entirely. What does it replace? Grammarly Premium at $12 a month, plus standalone AI writing assistants you might be paying for separately. What does Notion AI cost? $10 a month as an add-on to Notion's free plan, and there is a free trial included. And tool number 6, this one surprises most people, is using ChatGPT or Claude not as a simple chatbot, but as a full business analyst and decision support system. Most people type one quick question and get one answer. That is like buying a Ferrari and only using first gear. With the right prompts, these tools replace expensive services entirely. Need a competitor analysis for your business? Done in 60 seconds. A cold email sequence for your clients? One prompt, 30 seconds. A content strategy for the next 3 months? 2 minutes. A financial model structure, a hiring plan, a product launch checklist, a customer persona, a pricing strategy, all of it, instantly. And here is the thing. A business consultant charges $150 an hour for this exact work. Market research subscriptions cost $50 to $200 a month. ChatGPT and Claude give you the same output, often better, because they have been trained on more business knowledge than any single consultant could ever hold. The free version of both tools gives you access to this right now. The paid version, $20 a month, unlocks even more powerful capabilities. What do they replace? Consultants, researchers, copywriters, and strategy tools. What do they cost? Free or $20 a month for the full version. So let us add up what you just learned. Reclaim replaces expensive scheduling tools, save up to $34 a month. Granola replaces Otter.ai and manual note-taking, save $17 or more. Bardeen replaces manual data entry and virtual assistant work, save hours every week. Gumloop replaces Zapier plus AI subscriptions, save $20 to $50 a month. Notion AI replaces writing tools in Grammarly, save $12 a month. And ChatGPT or Claude replaces consultants and research subscriptions, save $50 to $200 a month. That is a conservative $100 to $300 saved every single month using tools that are either free or nearly free. Every single tool I showed you today is available right now, links are in the description below. If you want to start with just one, start with Reclaim or Bardeen, those two will save you the most time this week with the least setup. If this video helped you find even one tool you did not know about, hit subscribe, because next week I am breaking down exactly how to use AI to build a side income from scratch. I will see you in that one.